Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about fiber to fabric. In that, we are going to discuss about the process of making cotton fabric from cotton fibers. So how does it do? So it involves in three process. That means three steps. So let us go through the steps. First one is the ginning. The process of removing cotton seed from the cotton fiber and is done by passing harvested cotton through roller gins. This ginning was traditionally done by combing manually. The fibrous material left after separating cotton seed is called lint. The lint is tied and pressed into bales. That means if you have seen the cotton normal from the plant, it consists of, as this is outermost part, it consists of all this is a white color part cotton, and inside it consists of cotton seeds. So we have to remove this cotton seeds. We'll remove this cotton seeds by combing continuously of this cotton fiber. So if we comb continuously, we can easily remove the seeds, and this we'll do with the help of a machine. So this is the process of ginning where all the seeds were removed. Then the next one, after removing the seeds, the pure cotton material will be there. So that is called the lint. And the lint is then tied and pressed into bales. That means the cotton material which is compressed, they're going to compress and they formed into a thin sheets like this. It is arranged one after the other. A thick cotton beds like thing, it is arranged like this. And after this process were done, the next is the spinning process, where the process of making yarn, that is nothing but the thread of fiber, is called spinning. The length is directly spun into, that means turns into yarn on spinning wheel, that is charkha or takli, where in the olden days they used to do with this process. So let us see how. The spinning means they're compressed. After the compression of this bed shapes like things, after that they're going to spin it, so that after that they form like thread like appearance. That thread like appearance is done. So this is used by this charkha or takli. The next, after the spinning process, the making of fabrics. After the yarn, after the production of yarn, the fiber which is we are getting has been spun into yarn and it is sent to mills to be made into cloth. So how does this evolve? It takes place in two processes. One is weaving and next one is knitting, are the two methods of making yarn into fabric. So the process of alternating overlapping of sets of yarn together to make fabric is called weaving. So let's see. One, the threads, that means the yarns were taken, one will be in horizontal direction and other will be in vertical direction. So in this way, one after the other, the threads were arranged. So if this process were done, and finally we are getting a fabric material. So this is how you can see the arrangements of the threads which takes place, and finally we are getting a material. The next one, and you can see this process in producing in traditional handloom cloth moreover. And the second one is the fabric is also made by process of knitting, that is of sweaters and all. They use the woolen clothes. The wool is there with the help of the two thin needles and all. They use it with the hand only, maximum they use, and they're going to do the sweaters and all. So this is the process of how the cotton is turned into the material, that is fabric. Thank you.